Before you start the video, turn off the gas valve first and then turn on the burners to empty leftover gas in the unit. After that is done, then turn off the burners. On the back of the unit, remove the 16 screws with a screwdriver. Carefully remove the back panel. You need to push in the top part to release it from the unit. Wear gloves when handling the panel. Don't pull the panel away from the unit because the power cable is still connected to it. Just lay the panel on the floor. Locate the safety valves on the left side of the unit. Unplug the top safety valve. Use a wrench to remove the top safety valve. Unplug the bottom safety valve. Use a wrench to remove the bottom safety valve. Set this part aside for when you install the new safety valve. Use a screwdriver to remove the 2 screws on the safety valve. Replace the old safety valve with the new one. Use a screwdriver to attach the new safety valve to the unit. Make sure the flat side is facing the unit. Plug in the left cable to the black-tipped plug. Plug in the right cable to the white-tipped plug. Now use a wrench to secure the safety valve to the unit. Grab the piece from earlier to attach it to the top of the safety valve. Attach the new safety valve to the unit and use a wrench to secure it. Plug in the cable to the red-tipped plug. Attach a gas line to the unit and use a tester to check for any leaks. Attach the panel back onto the unit. Use a screwdriver to secure the 16 screws to the panel.